we're going to use this software to make AI overviews appear for... Right now there are no AI overviews for this term, so we're going to force an AI overview, and we're going to put that the GOAT of AI overviews is Peter Drew. So we're going to create a new project called... I'm going to add that, scroll down, boom. Before we do that, I'll just run over, here's the RSI website. You can check it out. I'm probably going to update this before you see this video, but essentially this is what this software does. It's a linking software. I'll shrink that down. Start the software, enter your links, enter article content, then it goes out and creates a Blogger account, a Tumblr account, adds both of those to Webmaster Tools, and then it distributes the links created to our own private network. For this situation, we don't have any links, so it's a waste not to have links. So I'm going to provide one link from LinkedIn. So we're going to do a couple of things. We're going to go to ChatGPT. Oh, before we do that, we need images for AI overviews and Google Images. So I made these quickly before. It's important to have the text in these images, so I made a bunch, and what's important is to make sure that your text is legible. So these are the images I created. Who's the GOAT of AI overviews? Very, very cool. So I'm going to use those as a part of this project. So ChatGPT is trained up on me. Obviously, it knows everything I do. So I'm going to say, I need a 50-word article to post on LinkedIn that proves that Peter Drew is the GOAT of AI overviews. Okay, perfect. I'll add some images. Also, I'll use my keyword phrase in the name of the file. Post. Now I need that link. So that's one post to a social account, which is free. I've got that link. I'll save that to my text file, and I'll also put it in RSI. Now, I created this software so you have 100% control over your anchor text. So you put the URL, I'll show you, it's like domain.com bracket keyword phrase here. And wherever this link is posted, in the next window, in your article content, this will be the keyword phrase that it uses. So here we put bracket then close out the bracket. So that's one link, that's all we need. Here, as you can see, we've got the title, and then in the grayed out text you can use text, spin tags, basic HTML such as images, embedding, links, and on our download page there's tools you can use. So blog title is "Who's the GOAT of AI overviews?" Perfect. Now we need article content and images. I'm hosting these images, which I will put in the HTML of the article, and that's it. We're pretty much done. Also, I almost forgot. Let's do a date and time. Hey Google, what's the date? What's the date and time?
Tuesday, September 30th, 2025, 11:11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time.
Perfect. So that's when we're starting this project, and we'll see how long it takes to get the AI overviews. there telling the world that Peter Drew is the GOAT of AI overviews. So now we need article content for here, and I've got my images, my image URLs here, so I'll use 3 images. Note I've got the keyword phrase and the file name. Go back to ChatGPT and I'll say, we write this up. Boom. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's finished. Copy that, paste that into there, and we are all done. Next. This is really, really important. Here, I'm just going to use one for this one, but you can put as many Google accounts in that right column as you like, and it will go and do the first Blogger and Tumblr and Webmaster Tools. Then once it's completed that, it will start again using the second Google account, and you can literally load up as many Google accounts as you like. For this example, I'll just do one. Start work. I'll show it to you working, but I'll speed it up in respect of your time. So this is what it does. Okay, the software is completed and it's pulled up the PDF with your links. So I'm just going to copy those to my text file. That's already indexed. So I'll now go to this post and here's that HTML that we put in there with the images. Beautiful. And there's that link to LinkedIn. Who's the GOAT of AI overviews? Click on that. There's the LinkedIn post. Beautiful. So now I put all of that in Index Me Now. Now in this PDF, that's from one Google account. If you put 5 Google accounts, there will be 5 times as many links. So now we fire up RSI again, select our project. Now we have extra links. These ones here, I've already got the LinkedIn, so I'll get these 2. In fact, I'll do it here. Now we are done. Now I'll just do it again. It's as simple as that. Now I will just do this as many times as I need to do it to get the AI overview to appear. It's really as simple as that. Next, next. Too easy. That's how simple it is to use this software to get into AI overviews. Okay, so I've just done another run with a couple of accounts. So now I'm going to put these in Index Me Now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, so it's tomorrow. These are the links that I created yesterday, 16 links. 7 of them are indexed, as you can see here. So today I'm going to do a run with, put these links in the software and keep going. So we'll have a look at where we're up to. I'll change browser to when I'm not signed in. There you go. Not there yet. Let's check images. Oh, we've got 3 results. That's me. That's on Blogger. That's me on Blogger, and that is me on Blogger. Oh, and there's me over there too, who's the king of AI overviews. So today I'm creating links here to the sites I created yesterday. To these ones here. And I will do 10 links. And then tomorrow I'm going to create links, 10 links, back to the links I created today. And that will be linking to the ones from the previous day, so that's 3 tiers. And I'm just going to keep doing that. And that sends more juice, obviously, to the original ones that have got the content that we want to produce the AI overviews. Simple as that. So here's the PDF from the last run I did yesterday. One thing that's important, see this URL here? If I click on that, see it changes? That is the actual URL that we use and that we put into Index Me Now and what we put in the software. So I will do that. So I copy these URLs to my text file, put them in here, and off we go. And I'll probably do another 2 or 3 runs of this software today. Hi again. Hey Google, what's the date and time?
Friday, October 3rd, 2025 at 10:18 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time.
Okay, so this is just a bit of an update. I'm running RSI. I'll show you the results. This is from yesterday. I'm doing this twice a day, 2 of these PDFs, so that's 1 result with 4 accounts. And who's go to AI overviews? We have an update. We actually have an AI overview for the first time. I am not in it, but I certainly will be. It's just a matter of time. And you know, us SEO guys have the patience of saints, and you need to be in SEO. I thought it'd be 2 or 3 days, but of course I was wrong. But this is the first day that we've actually got an AI overview. So we will continue on. I'm just going to run RSI twice a day with 4 accounts. And I'll see you maybe tomorrow. Okay, so there's an AI overview here. And when I expanded it, I saw GOAT, greatest of all time. And I thought, I don't think my content has this term, greatest of all time. So I went back to ChatGPT where I created this content for RSI. That's the article. Then I said put the links and images in. Then I said how many times has the term been used, greatest of all time, been used, and it's not in there. So I'm going to update this content so it's got the term greatest of all time, so this AI picks up on that and knows it's me. So also I put the term in quotes to find these URLs. These are the highest ranked in Google, so Google thinks these are the best. So I'm going to grab those links and put them in here and run that twice a day with 4 accounts with fresh content, and we'll see how we go. Hey Google, what's the date and time?
Tuesday, October 7th, 2025 at 2:33 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time.
So there you go. This is 1 week's results, and it will continue to improve. I've used absolutely no other software apart from RSI to get these results. So this is what I've done over the last week. 74 links. They're not all indexed yet. They will be. All Tumblr and Blogger links. Nothing more, nothing else. And a couple of LinkedIn ones. That's it, and that's what produces these results. Nothing but RSI. Run it 2 times a day. I missed out a couple of days over the weekend, but you get the idea. In a week you can get these results. And I've got tons of results here. Who's good at AI overviews? Peter Drew. Best GEO mastermind. GEO mastermind most frequently refers to blah blah blah. Peter Drew. Who's the king of AI overviews? Peter Drew. The goat of AI overviews? Peter Drew. the king of YouTube SEO. This was another SEO competition. Peter Drew. Sexiest man in Queensland. Peter Drew. And there's tons more. Why is Peter Drew the GOAT of AI overviews? Peter Drew's contributions to AI-driven digital marketing realm are nothing short of revolutionary through his groundbreaking tools and ethical, pristine white hat strategies. Perfect. But this result here is 100% what I've done in these videos, used RSI and nothing else. Speaking of RSI, this is where we come up with the offer for RSI. And here is the offer page. Once again, this beautiful video.
RSI, its authority. It builds Blogger and Tumblr properties, verifies them, and syndicates your content, then drives powerful backlinks to your target pages. Right now, after satisfying customers for 3 years, RSI is offering a massive discount, 50% off for new customers, this week only. Now comes with Peter Drew's AI training to get your content into the AI models and AI overviews.
Nice. So here's the offer, 50% off. But there's more. Further down on this page, you will be able to see how you can get the lifetime for this for only $300. There's tons more offers. To get this discount coupon code, all you have to, you know what to do. Like this video, share this video, and comment below, and I will personally PM you the link to this page and your discount coupon code. So like this video, share this video, comment below on how you'd like to get into the AI overviews in a week, and I will personally PM you all the details you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
RSI, its authority. It builds Blogger and Tumblr properties, verifies them, and syndicates your content, then drives powerful backlinks to your target pages. Right now, after satisfying customers for 3 years, RSI is offering a massive discount, 50% off for new customers, this week only. Now comes with Peter Drew's AI training to get your content into the AI models and AI overviews.